you want to allow your users to register and login into your application using quick authorization through the Google accounts, you need to get a Google APK to connect authorization to your mobile application. First of all, you need to go to the Google Cloud Console website. You can log in with your Google account or make a new one. Now we are inside on the main screen. First of all, we must create our project. To do this, click on the Select Project button and on New Project. You can create up to 12 projects for free. Enter the name of your project, which better to be the same with your mobile app name. And click the Create button. Great! Our project is created and you can immediately click on it in the pop-up notification at the top right. Then we need to move to API and Services section from the left menu at the Credentials section. The next step is to create credentials. Click on the button to create a new credential, APK. You will see a notification about the successful creation of the APK. Copy it using the button on the right and paste it in the Settings section of your application in the App Builder module. And click the Save button. Now your users will be able to log in into your application using authorization through their Google account.
Module